Garages like these hold secrets all around the country. Precious cars, precious projects waiting to be finished and to come out into the world. You join this build at about 90% of the way through. The S54 install part is actually the final chapter. Pav's been working on this car for a number of years now, and it was originally destined to have an M54 dropped into it. And sometime last year, Joseph suggested the idea of an S54 that he happened to be able to get hold of. So plans changed. You can see the shrine to the E30, the garage that Pav keeps his little beauty in. And it's been in there and tinkered with, and we've shared many beers in there talking about what comes next for this car. Don't worry about these wheels. They are just travelling wheels. Pav's got a treat for the wheels. We'll show you at some point.
Yeah.
Feel like Matt Farah on The Smoking Tired when he walks around every car. So this originally is a 325i 1992 E30 convertible. There was actually an automatic from factory. It's had a 6-speed box dropped into it from a Z4 in anticipation of an engine install, and it's now off for major heart surgery. As I've said before, Joseph's business is building, maintaining, modifying, updating M cars of all kinds for customers all around the place. And we are a group of friends that picks his brains in exchange for first aid advice and copious cups of coffee. And Joseph is helping Pav push his S54 install over the line. This car has been an absolute labour of love of Pav's. It's a dream come true. We will go into it in much more detail when we do a final feature of this car. But as you can see, the love that's gone on into this interior. Don't look at those wires hanging down under the steering wheel. That's just for a cruise control edition. But look how beautiful it already is inside.
Yeah, that's okay, I know. I just it's not gonna make anything. You have space. I know. Stop.
It's only a little car. This is the car's home. Finally. Until the engine's in, bolted up, it is running, and then it's coming on. I just want to look at this. That'd be great. Just change it to KISS Motorsport. Motorworks.
We never asked any questions. 1, 2, 3.
Go first.